Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can do Senegalese twists on your hair by yourself. If you're new here, my name is Flash and this is Beauty Secrets. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and never miss a video by clicking on the notification bell. So first things first, I want my hair to be organized and to have really clean parts. So as you can see, I'm just sectioning my hair with a white tooth comb just to remove all the knots and any tangles in my hair. Now, one of the tricks that I like to use is to just use a toothpick just to really help me get a nice and clean finish in my lines. It helps to keep my hair in really nice boxes because that's the look we're going for. Just box sections from the front of my head going backwards. So I like to also apply oil onto the hair that I use, and that is to make sure that I remove any flyaways. It helps you a lot when you use the oil because then you're going to have a clean and nice braid. Now, since my braid is quite short, what I'm doing is just adding two pieces together, and as you can see, I'm just making elongating it on one end and having the two short ends meet in the middle just to give me a really nice long braid. And after that, I like to twist and kind of make a knot in between the two braids because that is where the hair is going to intersect at the start of my braid. And then I just part in the middle, and then I will put the braiding hair just in the middle of my part. Now I like to twist on one side of the braid, and why I do that is you need to twist until you see a sort of like semicircle forming in the middle, and that's when you're able to twist. So the basic principle of twisting is you just use your left hand and then you pick the hair on your right. So you twist and pick, twist and pick. However, the hand that picks is usually the left hand side, so just make sure as you twist you just keep on picking hair with your left hand and then you twist along the way. If you don't twist the hair, then it is very easy for your hair to unravel even before you get to the end of the braid. So it is very important to twist the hair, then you can be able to have a really nice looking braid. Now I'm just going to go forward with the rest of the braids. I'm going to repeat the twisting process just so you can really see how I really do it. So again, I make a knot at the top of the braiding hair, then I section my hair into two and just place the braiding hair in the middle. As you can see, I twist and pick using my left hand. So twist, pick, twist and pick. It's really quite easy, and you just do that all the way to the end of the braid. I also like to go until the last thinning hairs of the braid, just to make sure that my braid doesn't have like a very disorganized braiding hair that's just loose and hanging. So just keep on twisting your hair until the very end, and that will be it. It's a very effortless look. You don't even need to try so hard with it. I think the most time consuming thing with this hairstyle is really the parting, because the back can be quite tricky. But what you can do when you're sectioning your hair at the back is just use two mirrors. So what I do is I place one mirror at the front of my face, and then I occasionally just keep on putting another mirror at the back, and then I'm able to see through the reflection, and then I can know that my lines are looking really, really perfect. So it's easy. Or you can do it in front of your dressing mirror, and then you can just have like another mirror that you can place at the back of your hair just to really check that things are really nice and organized. But besides that, very effortless look, very easy to do. I did it the first time and I think it turned out really, really well. I hope you guys try it out because it's a nice experience being able to do your own hair. So if you enjoyed this kind of video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and please leave me a comment because I would love to know what you think about this content. Until the next video, goodbye.